Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ev, and today, guess who needs a hard protein treatment? Yes, you heard right. I said hard protein treatment. From when I straightened my hair last month in December for my 30th birthday, when I first started reverting my hair, felt like the protein treatment that I used by Mish Beauty was going to be enough, and then maybe just use smaller amounts of protein throughout the month or until I felt like my curls popped back like they never left. And for the most part, they definitely did do that. I've noticed some straggly pieces here and there, ones I would just cut out, which I don't even think you would notice. I'm talking about literally like 3 strings of hair, but overall, I feel like my hair is not as buoyant, not as bouncy, and the elasticity is kind of weird. I'm not gonna make this a tutorial because I have done that. I have 2 Aphogee protein treatments that I have done with directions and stuff on my channel already, so I will link that above in the eye. And I think last time was because I got heat damage from that Revlon blow dryer brush, but I don't think this is heat damage. I just don't feel like babying my hair over weeks and weeks and weeks of protein and trying to add that into my regimen, so I'd rather just do a one and done and get it over with. So I have the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment here and their balancing shampoo. These are the GOAT when it comes to making my hair pop back. Last time I used it, you guys told me I should probably put it in a spray bottle because it is messy and it does smell bad. So to tame the mess a little bit more and the smell, hopefully I put it in this spray bottle so things are easier to apply. But I'm just gonna get started, let you guys see what my hair is looking like. Once again, I don't think it's anything major. I don't think I actually need to do a hard protein treatment. I would just rather do a one and done instead of a 2-minute protein treatment, like one time every week for the rest of the month or for like the next month or so. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'll let you guys see what's going on. My hair is freshly shampooed, and honestly I still think everything looks pretty good. But with my last twist out, which I did not film, I didn't really want to film it necessarily. I did want to make sure I was keeping track of what was going on with my hair and noticing every little thing. But this is what my curls are looking like. Most places in my hair I feel like are perfectly fine, but like I said, it's a few pieces that are straggly, like that I will actually just cut away. Just overall, I feel like my hair shrinks up less than it normally does. So in order to get my regular shrinkage rate back, not that I even feel like it's that big of a problem, sis, but I know that I just should correct that problem now and then we'll be good. That's it. That is it. So yeah, I'll be spraying this all over. Pray for me, y'all. This stuff smells to the high heavens.
Hey guys, so I forgot to mention some things in the video per usual, but basically I decided to do this protein treatment also because, one, I had mentioned before, I felt like my shrinkage level wasn't on 10. It might have been on 8.5, which is fine, but it wasn't on the usual 10, and so on some level there's damage, and I just wanted to correct that. But I also felt like my porosity changed and thus probably my shrinkage level changed, but I did not feel like things were back to normal. So when I did my first twist out, I felt like, I don't know, products were absorbing in more than usual, and my hair, whenever I would get it wet, it was hanging down more than usual. And you guys know my kinky sections are on the side. I felt like they were kinked up, you know, like normal, but it wasn't as kinky as usual. So like I said, there are certain norms that I'm used to, and it isn't exactly that now that I'm done straightening my hair and it reverted. So I did want to do this protein treatment as, like I said, a hard reset. But pretty much, I think this protein treatment, I've had this for years, okay? Because I almost never use this much protein all at once, and I'm not color treated. I don't have a reason to use a hard protein treatment often, but I do think I probably might might do this again because this protein treatment might have been expired. As you guys can see, I don't know if this happened the first time, but it's kind of foaming up, and I did put it in a different container, so maybe because of my application and that's different, I just felt like, I don't know, it wasn't the regular strength of protein treatment that I'm used to. So like I said, there's a lot of things going on in this protein treatment that aren't usual for me, and I was just trying to get myself back to normal. I did decide to wait before I cut any little pieces out. Usually when I style, that's when I can tell which pieces need to go and which ones can stay for the rest of 2020. So I didn't do it while my hair is wet. I'm probably gonna do a whole twist out and then cut it from there, like the little pieces, the little straggly ones that just ain't acting right. But let me know also down below in the comment section, how would you guys feel if I got bangs? Because I feel like that could be a thing. I feel like bangs could be a thing. I've done them before with my straight and my relaxed hair, but not with my natural hair, and mostly because I don't feel like I have a big enough forehead for bangs, so I just always look lost, okay? I just look lost all the time. But let me know down below in the comment section, how would you feel if I got bangs? I think it could work. I think that could be a whole vibe 2020. And for those of you that are new to my channel, if you are wondering why certain parts of my hair are looser than others, no, that is not heat damage. It's just because I'm multi-textured. If you go back and look at some of my older videos, it has been that way since I big chopped, so there's not much I can do about that. So yeah, just wanted to mention that as well.
Hey guys, so I'm back from sitting up under the hooded dryer and I have like a helmet head. My hair is super hard. There's no movement whatsoever. I feel like one of those Legos, and you know how you put on their hair or like their helmet, you like click it on? That's how I feel like my hair looks right now. Like it ain't going nowhere, okay? So yeah, that is what everything is looking like. I'm going to hop in the shower because my bathroom is a whole hot mess. I'm gonna be cleaning this up for a good minute. Can you guys see that it's like yellow? This just is one of the messiest protein treatments. If it didn't work as well as it does, I would not use this because it's seriously just one of the messiest protein treatments ever. And like, it's a strong protein treatment. I need it. I know that I need it, but I hate dealing with the mess. It gets every freaking where. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys also this one piece of hair. You're not supposed to manipulate your hair after you have sat under the hooded dryer. You're just supposed to let the warm water run over it because you can't cause breakage because it is very hard. Like my hair is very hard. But I don't know if you guys can see this. This is what I mean by like some of the straggly little pieces that I feel like I could cut off, like bloop right there, and you wouldn't even notice that it was gone. Other places, you know, I feel like they did genuinely like curl back up and they're gonna be fine. But let me go rinse this out. The protein has sat in for about an hour and like done its job as far as I can tell. I'm sure there's still some wet spots. I can feel them up underneath, but I cannot deal with this mess anymore. My hair is stuck to my ears, stuck to everything, stuck to everywhere. I have protein treatment all over my body, so I'm sure this is also great for my skin. Anyway, I'll rinse this out and I'll come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like.
So now that I'm done with the helmet head, I rinsed everything out and things are feeling pretty good. I do feel like my shrinkage level was restored some, but as I had mentioned before, I think these products were expired, so I am going to have to do this again, but with fresher products, okay sis? Ones that haven't been sitting on my shelf for like years and years. Overall, I felt like this was a softer protein treatment than what I remember it being, so that's why I'm feeling like the products are expired. The amount of change in my hair I thought would be more dramatic after using these treatments. So yeah, I'm gonna have to mess up my bathroom all over again one more time because like I said, I do not want to have to baby my hair. I would rather just do one and done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!